The next type of the lubrication system is according to the circulation mode. The first is closed system and the second is open system. The closed system is the oil circulates in the continuous circuit and the reduce the after the beginning filter using the this type is used in the automobile and the industrial industry. The second is open system. The oil is applied once into the recover. It's using the simple mechanism. Next type is the according to the type of the lubrication. The first is the with the liquid oil, and the second is the with a grease. The first, the liquid oil, is the most common and used the mineral, synthetic or semi-synthetic oil. The second is the with the grass. The grass is used in bearings, rollers of parts that no require continuous circulation. The other type is the without the air oil. Is the use of the minimum lubrication. Is use the precision mechanical and the pneumatical tools.
Operation. The operation of lubrication systems depending on the type, such as pressure, splash, or mixed systems. However, the general principle remains the same. The system circulates oil from reservoir to all moving parts that require lubrication, and then returns the oil back to the reservoir. This continuous flow helps reduce friction, remove heat, clean internal components, and protect surfaces from wear and corrosion. Stage of operation. A typical pressure lubrication system works through several key stages. 1. Storage. The oil is stored in the crankcase located at the bottom of the engine. 2. Suction. The oil pump draws oil from the crankcase through a screen or strainer. 3. Filtering. The oil passes through a filter that removes impurities such as dust, metal particles, and sludge. 4. Distribution. Clean oil is delivered under pressure through internal passage to components like bearing, the crankshaft, the camshaft, piston, and valves. 5. Lubrication. The oil forms a protective film between moving surfaces to reduce friction and wear. 6. Return. After completing lubrication work, the oil flows back to the crankcase by gravity. 7. Cooling. In some systems, before returning, the oil passes through an oil cooler to reduce its temperature.
Lubrication system classification. This is distributed in three types of the lubrication system. The first is according of the oil distribution method. This type of distribution system is a splash. Splash is the oil distributed the moment is of the parts is the scopes attached to the connecting rows, and the second is the simple low cost uses the small or the older engines. The second is the forced pressure is the use the pump to the send lubrication under the pressure through to the engine, uniform, efficient, and reliable. The next is the mixed is the combine the pressure and splash lubrication used when some parts are require the constant pressure and the others only light lubrication. The next is the by mix or mixture. Is the two stokes engines and the oil is mixed with a full or from the lubrication mist. The lubrication is burning and along with the fuel. Hello, today talk about a lubrication system. The first is talk to the what is it? The lubrication system is the responsible for the supply the lubricant oil to the moving the surface of the system of means of the elements and mechanical elements that is reduce the friction and wear as a well cooling, cleaning and sailing to prevent the corrosion. Benefits of the having a lubrication system. The benefit is the when to a meal surface move the direct contact, the friction generate. This friction produce heat, wear, and the loss of mechanical energy. The lubrication system introduces this film in the oil between this surface, which reduce the friction and energy, the mechanical energy, reduce the wear via preventing direct mills to mill the contact, and this applies heat, helping to maintain the temperature and clean the parts by carrying be diverse particles to the in the filter. The other benefit is the protects the okay. The other benefit is the contributes to the sealing and especially between the piston and cylinder in the internal combustion engines.
Importance of the lubrication systems. Maintaining the lubrication systems is essential for ensuring the proper operation efficiency and lifespan of the engine or any mechanical equipment. Because the systems constantly protects moving parts, any failure such as lack of oil, poor filtration, or pump malfunction can lead to overheating, the premature wear, or serious mechanical damage. The lubrication systems are not only used in vehicles, but also on machinery, equipment, or mechanical systems that require controlled friction and reliable operation.